Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial, and today I'm going to fix you how we can fix this Roblox error right here. Roblox has crashed, please perform a Windows clean boot. So what you want to do first is you head to Roblox. You're gonna check. No, we gotta check if it runs right. So after that, if it doesn't work, fuck it, mali. Crash mode. So first thing what we're going to do is we're going to settings. We're going to system. No, we're going to update and security. You can try and update your Windows first, and restart your computer. Then if it works, if that's good. And if it still doesn't work, you want to head to Windows security. You're going to open Windows security, open virus threat protection, manage settings, then go to exclusions. Yes sir, let's go. So we're gonna try and find Roblox. There we go, Roblox player. There we go. We're gonna open that. Then your Windows is not gonna do any weird scans on your Roblox, and it's not gonna delete it. So that's the important thing here. If that still doesn't work, you're going to head to NVIDIA if you have it. If you are using a GPU, you go to NVIDIA. If you are using a AMD GPU, use Adrenaline, but I have NVIDIA here. And if you don't have a graphics card and your CPU is like Intel or AMD, look up the drivers for that, and you gotta update your drivers. So my drivers are not really updated, so I will download this, and hopefully when you install your drivers, it's going to get fixed. And if that still doesn't work, you're gonna check if there's any like conflicting programs with Roblox, if there's anything like antivirus and stuff like that. So I don't have an antivirus right now, I only have Windows protection, and that's why we'll put exclusion over there. If that still doesn't work, you can just go to Roblox and you try to report. If that still doesn't work, you can go to Roblox and report a problem. So you search Roblox report, then we go here to support right here, Roblox support. Then you fill this up. If you have any, like, you see PC up category, you can put your stuff like how to general, like how to fix this, how to do the clean boot problem, the please perform a Windows clean boot. And if that, and yeah, that's it. That is the tutorial for today. I hope I helped you today, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.